Hey, what's up, guys? I'm trying a little something new. I don't know how long the batteries are gonna last on either one of these, but they won't be long. Let's see, where's my key? In my pocket. Well, guys, I don't know if I'm gonna get to try it or not today because I'm going so slow. Alright, I don't like the camera angle it's got, but I guess it'll do. Let's see how this works. Alright, guys, what's going on today, guys? It's Dakota Cooper. My mic is right in my mouth. What's going on, guys? Dakota here, and I'm trying a little something new. I'm trying a forward-facing camera with the phone. My iPhone is actually the one that's recording the forward-facing camera, and it probably won't be a long video because my phone, it actually has 20%, and so does my GoPro. Just got off work, headed to the house. Been a long day, long night, and I'm ready to chillax until tomorrow night. Oh man, I cannot wait to actually get a GoPro because I can see how this is going to be pretty fun. I like having this view. Yeah, boy. So I want to talk about the GoPro, or not the GoPro, I'm sorry. I want to talk about the RAM mount and how stupid I am. So the other day I was talking about in a video how I messed up and my phone flew off of my RAM mount and it cost $500 to get it fixed, and it was just a big disaster. But it's because I wasn't using it properly. I thought that, yeah, I feel like an idiot. I thought that the rubber band that comes on it, the little rubber band piece that straps over it or whatever, I thought that goes across the front, and I was like, I don't like that, so I never used it. So I was using the RAM mount with just the like the crossbar grip, and not actually using it with the way that it should be. The way that it should be, and that's with the little rubber band mount on the back of the RAM. The rubber band goes around the back of the RAM X grip and then comes over the top, and it kind of secures everything in. You can see from the video, like that's what happens. I know that the quality probably won't be nowhere near as good as a GoPro or a DJI or whatever you call that, but for right now I gotta use what I gotta use, right? It's drizzling out, and it's just enough to make my helmet visor fog up. That's why I keep flipping it up. Luckily I wear glasses, so yeah, we're gonna go the back way. So yeah, I want to get this. I want to get it set up to where I can do this with a GoPro, and also I want to get it set up to where when I'm with Philip or something, like we're gonna have 2 GoPros going, and I'll be able to dual vlog with him and edit stuff to where it's actually, you guys will get his point of view as well as mine. I think that'll be great. Man, that didn't work at all. I can't hardly see now. Man. I wonder if I think that was shut. Maybe that'll work. A little bit better. So I'm in Chase on Two Wheels' Discord, and a lot of the guys over there were asking about gear and what I wear, or what should they get to commute back and forth to work. I really think that just depends on you, to be honest, and what you're comfortable wearing going back and forth to work. I gotta pull over for a second. I don't feel comfortable about something. I've got a $1,200 iPad in my backpack, and I don't want to I want to make sure it's still there. Yep, everything's still there, so we're good. They were talking about earlier about gear and stuff. I think you need to wear protective equipment all the time when you're riding a motorcycle on the road, for sure. I'm a stickler for a helmet. Like, if you live in a state where you do not have to wear a helmet to ride a motorcycle, that's, to me, it shouldn't, I mean, I'm not going to say it shouldn't be an option, but to me, you are completely mental. And I mean that in the most respectful way that I can mean it, if you don't wear a helmet while riding one of these things, because this concrete is harder than your skull. And at 40 miles an hour, your skull's gone. Alright, so I know everybody thinks, well, the idea of riding is not to crash. Well, guess what, Sherlock? You can't help what other people do. And you can only, you know, be invisible so much. But you should always wear a helmet. Now, right now, I don't actually have my riding jacket on. It's in the wash. But I've got on my windbreaker jacket. I got a hoodie on under that. Usually what I do, can't see again. Usually what I do whenever I wear something like this, I don't have my riding jacket, I throw on my Fox chest protector, rock guard kind of thing. From when I talk Dakota, talk right. From when I rode dirt bikes all the time, I had a chest protector from Fox, and I wear that whenever I wear stuff like this. I don't have it on today.